Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with a special ebook review. The link is going to be down below for purchase. Money back guaranteed. This is coming from the Red Tea Detox. So, you guys want to try something out? This would be definitely a good one to try. It helps you burn 1 pound of fat every 3 days. So, definitely that's a good thing. Looks really good also. So, like I said, ebook. I gotta check it out. 14-day meal plan. And there we go. Here's all the chapters. Detox continue. Detox with red tea. I'm gonna try and buy some probably tonight. Rapid detox, weight loss. Debunking the diet industry. And then she gives me a recipe on red tea. The formula. Chapter 6 and all that good stuff. Metabolism. There you go. So definitely check out Red Tea Detox. Really good company. Something new. Try out. Like I said, if you guys want to burn that fat off, it's getting that winter time again. So try something new. Try the Red Tea Detox. Read the ebook. And I do believe they have audio also. So links are going to be down below. So thank you guys for checking that out. And this is a paid for video. So definitely give this a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be safe and have a good night.